Hey guys, it's Pauline. I have an unboxing. So we got a little peek in here because the box, came tore up. So, but this is not a bag. So, it should be fine. It should be another box on the inside of this. So, let's see where to open this. Okay, I went ahead and released the tape. So let's take a look. I'm trying not to hit my phone that I'm taking on. So nice. Huge box. Or a pair of shoes. So we got the black packing material. They really know how to present things. So, all right, hold on. Okay. I don't have any of Marc Jacobs shoes, so I wasn't expecting this super nice presentation. Now these shoes were expensive. Even on sale these were expensive, and I looked today and my size is out, but they do still have some of these. So these were like $195 regular price, and they were like $136 I think. And I really thought hard about it because I didn't like paying that for these type of shoes. But I really wanted it. These were really cute, in my opinion. So I went ahead and did the bullets on that. So let's see. And I will be interested to see if you agree. So that is what I picked up. And let's take a look. Oh, you get a dust bag. See, I've never had any of his shoes. So I guess you're paying for all that. But nice. All right. I don't think I'll be putting my shoes in a dust bag, but nice. Especially these type of shoes. But so let's take a look at these. I bought these to match a bag. It is actually a Coach bag. And I thought that these were really cute. Now, these are nice and substantial, but I think they're gonna make my feet look huge. But the pants that I bought to go with this, they're wide leg pants, so this might actually work. So it might be these shoes I needed. So I had wanted some Birkenstocks that were I think they were dark olive with gold accents on it, but I got too late to get those, and they were all out of my size. I mean, everywhere. So I kept looking until I found these. I picked up some other shoes that was some Birkenstocks. I'm gonna send those back because I don't like them. And well, they're fine. They kind of cute, but they don't look good. They do not flatter my feet. So hold on. So I unboxed these in another video. These were on sale. Okay, and they're kind of cute. But they're just not for me. They I tried them on. I tried to like them, but they just don't look. They're not flattering for my feet. So these are gonna go ahead and go back. All right. And for these, I think I'm gonna be so cute. So that is what I picked up, y'all. Do y'all have these? And I think these are gonna be so pretty with my camo. Because I was looking at them online, and they look like they were made to go with the Coach camo. But anyway, I will talk to y'all later. Bye. Okay, guys, I decided to go get the purse so you can see. I think that I already put this on here. I was like, oh, you know what? I think that'll look cute with that. So I went ahead and put it on here, and I forgot I did that. So I thought that I would put these together so you can see. I think that almost is perfect. I think Marc Jacobs has their own, but I think the Coach one is a little bit prettier, a little bit more pretty. This is just a little bit duller than this. I think this is a little more vibrant. So, and then I got these from 5 and Below. I think they go cute with that. What do you think? All right, so I think I'm set. So, oh, and then I bought this separately. I think it matches that. And then I have, I think I went ahead and bought like the little card case But we'll see, because I put it in my basket, took it out, so I don't remember if I actually ended up with it. I think I was kind of thinking, well, this ought to be enough. So anyway, oh, I remember now. I did buy it, but I didn't realize that it was gray. So anyway, it won't match this. But I thought that I would show you guys what I picked up, and you can tell me what do you think about it. I think it's cute, and I'm going to wear this with it. All right, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.